People do different things to change up where they live. Some move the furniture around, paint the walls, or put up some new artwork. Others totally renovate the kitchen, bathroom, or add on a room. For others, they just need to build something totally new. So let's put that in spiritual language. Do you know somebody who is wrestling with what they believe about God, Jesus, the Bible, about what it means to be a Christian, whether they want to do the church thing at all? There's a lot of talk out there about people deconstructing their faith. Maybe that's you or someone you know. Or maybe you're just reconfiguring or renovating your faith house. Wherever you are with any of that, let's explore it together with this sermon series beginning January the 8th.
Start the new year at Christ Church with a sermon series you can build on.
And be sure to tell somebody else you think could benefit from it. Has anybody seen my goggles?